What's up, everyone? It's me, Adam Prime, and I'm back with a new raise buckle. I thought I would get to this one first because it's kind of the coolest one that I've gotten recently, and it's fairly new. This was released on the 16th, which this debuted with, and as you can see on the box, you have the ninja, buckle armor. It says Ninja Raise Buckle on the side. You see it on the top. You pull this thing, you push it, and it spins. Got the Geats ID core. And you got all this stuff and nothing at the bottom. Alright. I just want to get into this now, because I think this is really stupid that we did not get Tycoon's ID core with this. Nyago's is coming with hers. We're getting a Punk Jack one as a regular release. Like, is he going to become a main character? I'm not sure. But Tycoon, they're going to be making a promotional item at some point in December, I think. And it's ridiculous. I think it's really stupid. Why couldn't it come with this? I guess it sucks if you're a Tycoon fan and you were hoping that this would come with it. It's really kind of dumb. But I do like the form. The form looks really cool. Like, I like the netting and everything, and the gears, and the pink eyes look awesome. Like, Geats doesn't look bad, but it's like, it obviously is meant to be with Tycoon. Like, we know this. Like, even in the show's lore, it's like, come on. That's that. But, I think that's about it for the box. We will... Well, I guess I will bring in the raise buckle itself, and we can check it out. And here is the Ninja Raise buckle. It can obviously be put either way, because that's how it's designed. Let's take a look. I like the shuriken and, like, the gears inside there. Like, I never noticed how much the gears are, like, in this part until I had it in hand. Which I really do like the gear look. We got the number 64 right there. Got a clear rail. Which we got a ton of detailing on this bottom part. Like, got the QR code, which I don't know what that does. And you got these ridges and such. I do like it has like a pentagon shape on it, which I think is really cool. And also like another like almost a gear painted design. You also got a ton of detail on, like, what is kind of like a kunai, like, little thing. Like, does anyone else think, like, remind this of kunai? I imagine that's on purpose, but I don't know. But yeah, you can pull that out. It has, like, almost, like, wrap detailing, which is kind of cool. But if you pull it, you get a good spin. And you can just pull it, and it will just go in automatically. But you're definitely meant for it to, like, for you to push it back down. Like, you'll see what I mean when we get it in the Desire Driver. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I love the metallic pink and, like, the black they did on the gears. Like, it just looks so good. Like, this is a really cool buckle. So, let's bring this bad boy in. Is it on? No. Pull it. I like the green they used for that. That looks really cool. And, like, I think, especially when you get it to spin, it looks really cool as it's lighting up. Because you get that, like, little bit of pink in there, which is kind of neat. And that's the Ninja Strike. You can obviously do the revolve. And, yeah, let's bring in some mixing and matching buckles. Let's try it with a basic one like water. Next up, let's try it with... Now let's use Magnum with Ninja. And now let's do the final attack.
Ninja Magnum victory.
There's that one. Now let's try it out with Zombie. Which, I like the coloring. Alright, that's a Zombie. Last but not least, we got the Boost Buckle. And this is something I didn't notice until I got the Ninja Buckle, but I think it's really cool that at least for all the big buckles, Zombie, Magnum, this one, etc., you do get a slightly different jingle for the other one. Like, you heard that, like, dun, 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 like, at the beginning, and, like, that was not at the beginning of when you use it by itself or with any of the other buckles. So I think that's just kind of cool, so kind of... That's probably why on the box it recommends you use Boost with everything. That's probably why. So, let's go into the Boost time.
Boost time. Ninja Boost Road victory.
That looks cool.
Ninja Boost victory.
Alright. Let's get both of those. And let me bring in the... Okay, this is probably gonna be a little bit of an awkward cut, but here it is with the Magnum Shooter 40X. I do like that it still has the sound effect, so that's cool. So yeah, this would be an interesting gun to fight with. But alright. And that's pretty much it. That's all you can really do with the Ninja Buckle. It's honestly a really fun buckle. Obviously, you can use it in holders, put it in the boxes, kind of, you know, you can do whatever you really want with it, as long as it's within the toy line, I should say. Like, you're not going to be able to slap this in a double driver. But I like it a lot. I love the little spinning factor. It's really cool. I think that's just really fun, honestly. I think that's just a really fun toy thing, and it's just, when I first got this, I literally could not just not do that. I was just doing it, like, for I would just be watching something, and I'd just be like, and I'd just be watching whatever, and yeah, I really do like it. I love the metallic pink. I love the green. I hate that it doesn't come with the Tycoon ID core. I really wish that was something it came with. But what are you gonna do? I don't make Bandai's decision. But what do you guys think of the Ninja Raise buckle? Are you guys also upset that it didn't come with the Tycoon ID core? And I'm 90% sure I know there's gonna be other people not happy that it doesn't come with it. So, you know, I got plenty more Raise buckles to review, so expect to see them soon. And thank you so much for watching, and until whatever I do next, bye.